And again, for those who are new in the community, welcome. I'm Coach Darla, and I'm the founder of the Funnels Mastery Community and the Funnels Mastery Academy. So we help you learn all about funnels, become funnel experts, have time and of course financial freedom by being experts and serving clients all over the world. And definitely the main goal is to live a life that you love. So that is the main goal behind all of these things right here. So the Funnels Mastery Community is created to become the biggest funnel community in the Philippines. Ang dami-dami namin pine-prepare for all of you. And it serves also as, the learning ground. If ever you're interested in learning funnel design, then you would really learn a lot in this community. If you want to go 100% in and, have wins already without doing a lot of trial and error, then I would really suggest that you go inside and enroll in the Funnels Mastery Academy. So we are opening that during the webinar on August 12. So tama po kayo, meron ding pitch sa dulo ng ating webinar. But again guys, hindi talaga talagang we urge you to attend that. Ang dami ring wins, ang dami naka-close sa mga small projects, may mga big projects, and ang dami rin nag-aabang sa opening kasi yung mga naka-close na yon, papasok sila sa loob because of course they wanted to really go 100% in. Comment yes. Anyway, let us just continue with the goal of providing value to all of you guys. So, supportahan nyo na lang tayo dito. Nakakaloka anong nangyayari. I think there are a lot of updates happening sa likod right now. So, ang question ko kanina, have you, sa inyo, have you ever wondered, a lot of you maybe asked Camille or yung mga funnel experts, and also a lot of you are also asking in the emails, does a funnel designer also handle automations, or will we be we will be writing the copy ba for the funnel, or do we just design the funnel, or do we also build it, etc. Right? So there are a lot of questions around it. Like, what does a funnel designer really do? Kasi ito yung niche na nakakatakot pasukin because it is sometimes, pag titignan mo siya, it is very technical, right? And even when I started back in 2019, 2020, it was really difficult back then because a lot of courses were like very expensive. Like, ang mamahal nilang lahat. So, I was not really able to already invest, Pagka-resign ko sa work, hindi ako kaagad nakapag-invest sa funnel design. So, what I did was, I was a social media manager back then. Lahat ng kinikita ko as a social media manager. Kasi back then, nag-upsell na ako agad, Lahat ng mga clients ko ng social media, ina-upsell ko sila ng funnel para makapractice ako. And then, as I close more clients, inipon ko yun hanggang nakapag-enroll ako sa mga funnel courses, and then that's when I decided to go 100% in. As you can see, I used the money not for my personal, but talagang ginawa ko siya for business. I reinvested it. So for those who are wondering kung paano talaga makakapag-switch, that could be one of the things that you could do. But you don't need to really do a lot of sacrifices already. Not like me na talagang inipon ko ilang projects yon just to invest in something na as in sobrang mahal talaga guys. Hindi ko na i-drop yung number dito, pero imagine niyo na lang mga around 8 projects siya ng social media management ko. Ganon karami, ganon siya kamahal yung una kong investment for funnel design. Kasi ganon siya kakonti dati, ganon siya ka niche down, niche specific. Right now, you're very lucky that you're here because you are one, of a lot of people to know about this skill. So, if you have the opportunity to really go 100%, and I would definitely suggest you do it right now, ngayong August agad-agad. So, yun. For you to also be able to make a decision, I will be discussing with you, the things that you do as a funnel designer, right? So, again, as I have discussed in the previous video kanina, the funnel designer and funnel builder, or the terms that is usually used in the market, ginagamit siya interchangeably because lagi naman, ang funnel designer is also expected to build the funnel, but there are also funnel designers na talagang Figma lang yung ginagawa. So, but in FMA, I teach you to really become a funnel expert. Not just a funnel designer, not just a funnel builder, but become a funnel expert. So, what's the difference? ng funnel designer sa funnel expert. So, yung funnel expert is you also know the strategy. Like, when you talk to a client, hindi lang agad-agad na, ay, ganitong funnel yung kailangan sa'yo. You know how to ask questions, you know how to know more about the business, you know kung ano ba talaga, no, to identify what is the problem na pwede mong solusyonan, and you're also able to create customized solutions. Yun kasi siya. Hindi siya katulad ng website na, pag sinabing website, alam mo na agad, okay, kailangan natin ng home, kailangan natin ng about, kailangan natin ng contact, ganyan. But in funnel design, it is very, very specific and it is very strategic. Yun kasi siya. Kaya siya malapit sa pera, kasi yun yung ginagamit ng mga tao to make money. Websites are used to build the brand. Funnels are used to get leads, to make money, to get to host webinars, no? And also, of course, to upsell. Yun talaga. Dun talaga yung pera. The websites are also important because, of course, it will establish you as a legit business, right? So, balik tayo dun sa topics of funnel designer and funnel builder. So, yung meron kasi tayo mga funnel builders na they just focus on building as well, no? So, when we say funnel designer, I expect you and I urge you, I encourage you to really become a funnel designer who also builds and who also knows the strategy. Kaya lang natin ginagamit yung term na yun is because it is what clients usually do, what clients usually use. Kaya yun na yung gagamitin natin na term. So ngayon, I will be sharing with you each of the things that we do as a funnel designer. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Type ready in the chat if ready na. Ready. Ayan, ang dami na nanood. Okay, let's get started. The first one, no, design. Design, yun yung main, right? And when we talk about design, there are also a lot of things included in that. Now, the first one is the branding of the client. So, ito yung kanina kong sinasabi na sometimes, especially when I was just doing social media or nagwa-website ako dati, kung ano yung branding ni client, yun na din yung ginagamit ko. Kung oldie na yung branding ni client, yun na lang din gagamitin ko because yun na yung branding niya eh. Hindi naman part ng offer ko yung branding. But again, as sa FMA, yan, tinuturo din namin sa students, and I also encourage my students to also handle yung visual branding ni client. So, hindi siya talaga yung deep branding na talagang alamin mo yung purpose and everything. Ayan, alam ko mahaba yung process ng branding. But I entrust that, no, to the brand design, the branding experts na talaga. Kasi ang haba ng process nun eh. I also took a lot of branding masterminds. Then, yun yung sinasabi ko sa client na I will be creating an improved, modern visual branding for you. These are usually word logos, and we will be using that for the funnel. And then, I also come up with the fonts, the colors, and also the look of the funnel. So, yun yung unang-una, okay? I-take note nyo na lang because I cannot share my screen dahil baka na naman ma-end na naman yung live natin. So, just take note of everything that I will be sharing with you. So, that is the first one. And then, the second one, the design itself, right? You need to design the pages of the funnel. So, again, yun yung mga landing pages na tinatawag. Bawat page sa isang funnel ay tinatawag na landing page. Kaya, sinasabi ko sa inyo, this is the best opportunity, no? Kasi nandito na lahat. Like, when you learn websites, when you learn funnels, you also learn about landing pages. You also learn about marketing. You also learn about websites. Right? You also learn about branding as well, pero not the deep branding. But you're also an expert, no? When it comes to like the visual branding of the client. So, sobrang well-rounded ka as a marketer when you know funnels. And, right, so that is for the visual branding, and then also and the branding, the design itself. Of course, when you do the design, there are also custom graphics, right? So, whenever we do design, hindi lang siya yung tipong, okay, take natin yung picture ni client, ilagay natin siya dito. We usually combine different elements to really communicate, no, yung offer ni client. Because again, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung funnels are really close to the money. Yun kasi, kaya talagang ini-investan din to ng mga clients is because they know that they need it to sell. They know that they need it to make their lives easier. So, custom graphics is also included doon sa design, no? Sa design aspect. Basically, for the design itself, no? So, the branding and also the full page design and the custom graphics. Okay? Yun lang yung dun sa part na yon. Hindi lang tayo nag-e-end doon. And in FMA, hindi lang din talaga nag-e-end doon. Like, everything you will learn there. Including, first is the platform setup. Okay? Aside from the design, start na tayo, isa-isahin natin yung mga gagawin nyo. First is the platform setup. So, in FMA, we discuss GHL and System.io. So, yung mga students namin, well-versed na sila talaga in System and GHL. But of course, hindi ka magiging well-versed until you get to use the platform itself. So, of course, kailangan talaga matry mo siya. So, you need to also know about the platform setup because first, maraming clients ngayon, again, sabi ko nga sa inyo, maraming clients ngayon lang nagiging familiar with funnels. So, marami sa kanila, they just have websites and then they are transitioning into having a funnel. Parang i-include nila dun sa website nila. And to answer that question, yes, talagang kailangan natin i-integrate yung website sa funnels. So, iba kasi sila ng purpose. We also have, in FMA, we also have a strategy for websites. So, tinatawag namin yun na homepage funnel. So, we apply the strategy of a funnel to the website. Ganon namin siya ginagawa. So, kaya rin siya kakaiba, It's a website, but it really has a strategy behind it. It's not just a website. Kaya, yun yung nakakatuwa dun. Kaya, madali din siyang ibenta sa clients because strategy is not different, This is the strategy that is used by the most successful marketers. So, it won't be a regular website na nakikita natin. So, that's the first one, aside from the design, okay? The platform setup. So, sa platform setup, of course, kasama dito, minsan, i-upload nyo yung mga contacts ni client, ganyan. Isa-set up nyo yung mga tags, of course, sa mga bibili. You will also fix then yung mga logos, I-upload nyo sa platform and everything. Just making sure that the platform is all set up. I-connect nyo yung domain. Meron din yan sa FMA. Connect nyo yung domain, i-verify nyo yung email, especially now na ang dami-daming updates sa emails. Ayan, so, kailangan nyo rin yun gawin. And yeah, just making sure that everything is already set up for the site. Okay? And then, after that, after the platform setup, and after you have done the design, there are also a couple of things that you could do. The first one is you could already build it. The building comes if you already have the copy, right? You cannot design a funnel if wala pang copy. Yun yung isa sa challenge. So, ang dami nagtatanong, okay, coach, saan nagagaling yung copy? That's a great question. So, I always recommend to my students na if ever the client is already like testing, kumbaga they really need a proven copy na for their funnel, I would recommend that you outsource. So, you take advantage of your community. You ask copywriters around you and then ask them, okay, how much do you charge for a sales page? And then you collaborate with that person. So for example, ang i-charge niya sa'yo is around, for example, $500 for one sales page copy. So what you do is you add that on top of your charge for the funnel, and then you just pay that person. You just pay yung white label copywriter mo. You are also able to include that in your offer. So again, ang maikling sagot dyan is that you don't need to learn everything all at once. Okay? I always recommend you to be an expert on funnel design first. Alamin nyo talaga paano nyo siya gagawin, gaano katagal ka gumagawa, and then after you already have system for your funnel design service, then that's the time when you can upgrade or upscale to copywriting. But in FMA, we will also have sessions for copywriting. So, ini-schedule na namin siya. And we also have templates and prompts for ChatGPT. So, kapag ka naman, si client already has experience and alam mo yun, marami na siyang mga funnels, marami na siyang mga emails, it is easier for us to come up with a copy. In that case, we personally, in our agency, we use ChatGPT to create the foundation, and then we just edit it out to make it, of course, less ChatGPT sound. Also, para mas maging okay din, yung tunog ng copy. Okay? But again, it's possible for you to be able to write the copy for the client. So, if you have that skill, or if for example, if nasa FMA kayo, and then, yun nga, meron tayong masterclass on sales page copywriting, you can take advantage of that, and then you could write copy for the the funnels of the client. So again, we have the platform set up, we do the design, we do the copywriting, for example, kung gusto nyo or i-outsource nyo siya, and then the design. And I forgot to mention that there is the research phase. Okay? Sa simula ng design. Why? Kasi, yun, meron din tayong process ng sa FMA. So, we do research because we want to know, no, we are not reinventing the wheel. Yun naman yung lagi kong sinasabi sa mga students. Na you don't have to reinvent the wheel because we already have something that works. Katulad ng FMA, right? You don't need to already try and test lahat ng mga kung anong strategy dyan nakikita nyo sa YouTube, sa Google, because we have the strategy that works in FMA, no? And it's the same with funnels. You don't have to reinvent this thing because it has been already developed and proven by experts before and the most famous marketers. So what you have to do is to study that, make sure to understand that, and then take those strategies, you make that as inspiration. You take the strategy and then you put your own spin to it and apply it to your client. Okay, so ganun yung ginagawa natin, especially when it comes to design. Kaya yung mga students din namin, hindi sila nawawala ng idea, kumbaga hindi sila nagsistart from scratch sa design because we have that very specific process inside FMA. Okay? Na hindi kayo magsa-start from scratch. Okay? So, yan. Platform setup, the copywriting, design. And then sometimes pala, no, I also forgot, kung meron ng copy si client, kung magre-redesign tayo ng funnel, I also include improvement of the copy. So, improvement lang. Kung may copy ka, sige, improve natin. I-rewrite lang natin, ganyan. The next one is the build out. The building of the funnel. So, of course, depende yan sa platform ni client. And after that, you need to mobile optimize it. So, yung mobile optimization is also a huge part, no, of the process. So, kailangan, I think a lot, no, I think more than 50% talaga, 80% of the people, especially if social media coach yung client nyo, most of their traffic comes from social media, and most people use phones to scroll. So, very important na optimized yung funnel sa mobile. Okay? And then, aside from that, you could also do loading speed optimization. Actually, hindi naman to very, very difficult, no? Ang gagawin lang natin, well, nasa FME din to, is that before you upload images, you just need to compress them and you need to make sure na hindi naman sobrang laki yung mga ina-upload nyo. Yung tama lang siya sa dapat na paglagyan niya. No? Because if you include a lot of videos, a lot of, the big files, it will become slow. So, dapat, it's also important for you to also understand na dapat yung funnel will load faster. And then, ito na yung isa sa mga tanong ng mga tao. Do we also do the automations and the integrations? So, short answer for that is definitely yes. Okay? Because again, I want you to become really an expert in what you do. I don't encourage you to just focus on just the design. Right? So, yung mga students sa FMA, doon sila na-challenge sa automations and integrations. But I definitely believe na talaga ma-figure out mo siya once you start doing it, no? Once you start implementing. And we also have tutorials on automations or on inside FMA. Yes, gagawin mo talaga siya. Bakit? Kasi okay, magbibuild ka nga ng system, magbibuild ka ng funnel for the client, and then hindi naman siya gumagana. Para kang bumili ng kotse, brand new car, pero hindi naman gumagana yung makina. So, what is the sense of buying the car if hindi naman siya gagana, right? So, again, ang goal natin as freelancers, as service providers, is to provide solution. Were you able to provide solution if hindi naman gumagana yung binigay mo? Diba hindi? So, you also need to do those automations. But of course, there are a lot of advanced automations kasi marami mga automation. May SMS automation, may mga email automation, etc. So, as kami, sa agency namin, we don't do SMS anymore and any other automation out there. Talaga nakafocus kami sa mga funnel automation. So, ano ba yung mga usual funnel automation? Firstly is making sure that the students get the access to the course if ever, or the student can buy the course, ma-access nila or makaka-receive sila ng email, automated email after they buy. There are also automations wherein pag nag-register, ka for the lead magnet, madedeliver sa email mo yung lead magnet. And ano pa ba yung mga automations? Another automation is that pagkatapos mo mag-book ng call, may ma-receive kang email. So usually more of email automations and making sure that the pages are connected to each other. And then integrations, of course, this is important especially if iba-iba yung mga platforms ni client. But again, as funnel experts, ang dire-recommend talaga natin sa kanila is that they already invest in all-in-one marketing solutions. Right? GHL or System.io, instead of using WordPress, right? Wherein they need to maintain a lot of things. But for websites, of course, WordPress talaga for SEO, if they want to really be found on the web and they want to rank talaga on Google. WordPress talaga the best for that. But if you wanted to just promote your offer, if you have direct traffic, nag-add si client, I would recommend that you encourage them to purchase or invest in all-in-one marketing solutions nga, yung mga platform natin, funnel platforms natin. And then, of course, with the automations and integrations, you will also do the email setup. So, mukha lang siyang nakaka-overwhelm pakinggan. But once you get to do this, like, pag nakatapos ka ng isang funnel, it would be a lot easier for you. So, yan, may email setup din tayo. So, basically, you copying the emails, putting it in the email service provider, usually nasa funnel platform din to. Of course, automating it, kasi may mga sequences yan eh. Halimbawa, pagpasok sa lead magnet, may welcome, may next after 3 days, may next after 4 days. So, yan, ma-automate mo yun siya. And nasa FMA din yun. Another one could also be course portal build out, no? Especially if yung niche nyo is mga course creators like me, kailangan maging kasama din yun sa offer nyo. So, halimbawa, mag-create kayo ng course funnel, right? So, bitin naman, diba? Bitin naman kung may course funnel nga. Pero yung product mismo, hindi siya naka-build. So, if it is a course funnel, we also include the course build out, the course portal build out. Yung uploading ng videos, making sure na yung titles tama, yung mga buttons tama, yung mga downloads tama, we also include that. Again, sabi ko nga sa inyo, if you really aim, if you're aiming for 6 figures, if you're aiming to become the best of the best, then you really need to be very proactive. You need to invest in yourself. You need to really learn all these things, right? Kasi napakaraming freelancers, guys. Hindi masosolve ng isang webinar lang ang lahat ng sa mundo, right? So, you really need to learn your craft. You really need to train hard for it, okay? Camille, can you post in the FMA? Napunta mo na sila dito. Meron kasi kaming coaching call sa FMA, so dahil sa difficulties natin, na-late tayo. There are also other things. So, yun yung pinaka-basic. Yun yung usually included sa package mo as a funnel designer. Maaaring magtanggal ka ng copy, maaaring magtanggal ka ng course portal, kasi depende, kung wala namang course si client, syempre, hindi naman ka mag-build ng course portal, right? So, yun siya basically. So, kung i-categorize natin siya, it's more of the design, it's more of the building, the copy, and if you also become really like na-expert mo na yung funnel design, kasi yung goal talaga natin sa FMA is for you to become a funnel designer. The next step for you, and again, if you do it over and over again, you will also do about conversion rate optimization. So, meron tayong mga tinatawag na CRO experts. Yun, mga conversion rate optimization experts. So, ang ginagawa nun is that, halimbawa, nakabuild na yung funnel. Ngayon, dahil nga ginagawa mo siya araw-araw, you know what works and what doesn't, right? So, we also do this in the agency. So, like, for example, okay, lalapit sa amin si client. Sasabihin niya, okay, nag-invest kami dito. Ang dami naming na-invest na pera dito sa funnel na to, pero hindi siya nagko-convert. Now, as a CRO expert, I look at it, tinitingnan ko yung numbers, ilan yung traffic, bakit ganito yung conversion, saan kaya sila nag-drop off. And that's when you enter. So, ngayon, as CRO expert, you will be discussing with the client. Now, I think ito yung problem. Okay, let's test it out. Dito papasok yung A/B testing sa CRO na. Okay, sa CRO na siya. So, yun yung isa na magiging retailer mo as a funnel builder. If you maintain the funnel. And then, another one could be mga sweetener on top, no, ng funnel design could be also you doing multiple funnels. Nandito talaga guys yung cash, okay? So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yun nga yung naging transition ko yun yung naging wake-up call ko. Na nag-SMM ako, and then, natapos ko na yung funnel. Parang 1 week lang tapos ko na yung funnel. Tapos yung na-receive kong pera or bayad, mas mataas pa kaysa dun sa SMM ko na service na ginagawa ko in 1 month. So, that also made me realize na, okay, kaya ko palang mag-serve ng multiple clients. But hindi doon nagtatapos. Hindi lang tayo magfo-focus on the different clients or different funnels for each client. Okay? Kasi ang goal natin, dapat marami tayong clients per month. But, maybe you're missing out because we also have an option or we also have this opportunity wherein you can increase the number of funnels per client. So, usually kasi, actually sa amin, ganun talaga siya, naka-bundle talaga siya. Kaya, sabi ko talaga sa inyo, guys, wag niyong tulugan tong opportunity na to. Talaga. Usually, sa isang client talaga namin, minimum talaga ng 3 funnels usually. So, imagine niyo na lang kung ano yun. And then, usually for funnels, ang pinapromise namin, of course, is 4 to 6 weeks. Pero kayang-kaya mo siyang matapos in 2 to 3 weeks, no? Especially if matagal ka na nag-build. And because in FMA, we have templates already. Yun yung maganda. Yung mga students, they don't have to start from scratch. Meron kaming wireframes. You don't need to start from scratch ulit. Meron ka na ring funnel templates. Yun, i-import mo na lang, i-edit mo na lang siya. And nandun na lahat ng structure, no? So, you don't have to figure it out on your own. Another one, no? Another sweetener on top, no? If you know FB ads, you could also include that in your offer as well. Na pagtapos ng funnel, you can offer either SMM or FB ads. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, parang lahat ng mga services, umiikot siya dito sa funnel. Kasi for example, FB ads ka, hindi maganda yung funnel, then hindi mag-work yung ad. Mag-work yung ad, mapapaklik sila, but hindi bibili yung mga tao because of the funnel. For SMM, okay, ang dami mong traffic, pero kung hindi naman nakukuha yung leads, wala din siyang sense. That is how important funnels are. No? So, if you're new to this community, make sure to watch all of our Tuesday tips. Sobrang importante and sobrang valuable. As in, hindi ako nagjo-joke. Sobrang daming golden nuggets doon sa mga Tuesday tips natin. So, I think this is the 5th or 6th Tuesday tip. And I hope you guys have found this valuable in making a decision, no? And again, guys, if you're here, if you're new in this community, make sure na panoorin nyo yung guides natin kasi nandyan lahat, as in nandyan yung pinaka-basic na dapat nyong malaman on how you can get started. Because again, hindi ako yung tipong tao na magbebenta lang. Gano'n na parang, pumasok na kayo. I want you to know if this is really the right skill for you. Actually, kanina may call ako sa isang FMA student. Sabi niya sa akin, na-figure out niya na gusto niya talaga yung ginagawa niya nung nakapag-design siya ng first funnel niya. So, I encourage you guys to do that as well. I-complete nyo. 5 videos lang yun. Pinaghirapan ko yun, guys. Pinaghirapan namin yun. 5 videos yun. May template pa sa loob. Take advantage of that because a lot of people, a lot of Filipinos don't have that opportunity. And it could be like the game changer for you. So, don't miss out. Okay? Magkakaroon ba ng demo? Yes, sa FMA. Securing a deal with a client one time. Usually one time, pero marami kaming pabalik-balik na clients. Just like right now, I think parang 50% ng clients namin mga bumabalik. Tapos maraming referrals and then marami ring bago. Okay? Pero marami talaga yung bumabalik for more. For example, nag-launch sila ngayon. After 3 months, mag-launch ulit sila. So, babalik sila for a new funnel. Alright, last 2 questions. Kasama rin po ba yung emails or email marketing sa package? Yes. Actually, yun nga, lagi kong sinasabi, if hindi ka pa confident or gusto mo muna mag-focus on building your funnel design skills, I would recommend na i-entrust mo to sa iba. But in FMA, we also have prompts for emails. No? So, you could also use that as well. With ChatGPT. Is it possible to do both SMM and funnel designing? Na-answer ko na to. Definitely yes. Kasi kung hindi sa SMM, hindi rin ako magiging funnel designer. Hindi ko ma-afford na matutunan siya. Kasi napakamahal niya before. As in, gold. Ang answer dyan is definitely yes. And you should already upskill. Kasi napakarami SMM, diba? At nakakapagod talaga. Well, yung mga, established na SMM, hanggat kaya nyo pa, go. Pero nakakapagod talaga siya. Hindi pa kayo napapagod. So, ngayon, in the agency, we also do offer SMM. Pero may team na kasi ako. So, Yun naman yung difference nun. I handle the strategy, but because of course, actually, yung marketing strategy, sobrang important tong funnels na knowledge about it, no? Kung SMM ka, you would have knowledge about social media, content, etc. But sa funnels kasi, ano talaga, like, everything matatouch on mo, na kung paano nag-work. Kaya, mas higher level. Kaya din, mas mahal yung bayad sa kanya. It's because of that. Ganun siya ka high level. Where is the demand in funnel design if ever web designer or web dev can do it? Firstly, ma-differentiate mo yung sarili mo sa napakaraming web designers, right? And, again, usually, meron din kami mga clients. Actually, marami kaming clients na gagawa rin kami ng website with the strategy of a funnel. Yan siya. Hindi lang siya website. Website with the strategy of a funnel plus funnels. So, pinapackage namin siya. Okay. So, that's also a great opportunity for you if currently web designer ka na. Okay, so that's it for tonight. I hope you have enjoyed this session and see you again on Monday. Bye, everyone!